Hey, Ben Style with Ben Style Construction here at 4251 Ramsey Street. This is one of the bigger projects we've done. This was a job that we call it kind of trees to keys. This was an empty piece of dirt, so we did all the underground infrastructure, the parking lot you see behind us, and then also the 15,000 square foot strip center. Behind us you'll see some of the tenants, the FayettelleDentist.com and Anytime Fitness. They're both days or weeks within opening up, so we're excited for them and the opportunity they have here. Also, Marco's Pizza has announced that they'll be joining the center. A couple vacancies left, but overall we're at the end of this project. It's beautiful. We're excited for the owners and the tenants, and also once again changing Fayetteville and making Ramsey Street a better area. So we're inside one of the last remaining units here, and this is kind of the responsibility we had was to get what we call the shell building done. So if you see behind us, we have the water and sewer stubbed out into the units. We also have this building has a fire sprinkler system, so it gives the owner a little more flexibility in the tenants that he can have in place. We have a firewall in place, backside of it open to make the rough ends for the final tenants a little bit easier to access. So if you're looking for a space on Ramsey Street, some new construction gives yourself an opportunity to grow your business, come check us out here. We look forward to showing you some finished product once we have it in place.